Speedography, Volume 2, Exercise 27, Speed 100 word per minute, start. Sir, for special category state status, all the qualifications are there in the state of Odisha except that it does not have the international border. You do not grant us the status of special category state. Commissions after commissions have been formed. Sir, the last commission, the panel headed by Raghuram Rajan, said that Odisha has all qualifications along with Bihar and Bengal. Sir, you have given package to Bihar. You have given package to West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh. In the map between these, Odisha is also there. Sir, should we go somewhere else? Where will we go and to whom will we speak? I appeal you to please look into this issue. Sir, there are 24 schemes to be run with the changed sharing pattern. As there is not much time available with me, I will just cite 4-5 examples of these schemes. Much has been discussed and it has to be discussed. If we cannot justify things for the farmers of this nation, we will fail in our duties. Para. Sir, we won't be able to say that there is governance, there is a government and there is a system in this country if we cannot address the issues of farmers in toto. Sir, the Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana was 100% centrally sponsored scheme. It is now going to be a partnership scheme. For example, for mission for integrated development of horticulture, you have reduced it from 85% to 70%. For national mission for sustainable agriculture, we were getting 90% and now you are reducing it to 70%. For watershed program and micro irrigation program, which is for poor farmers, till this year we are getting 90%, but now you have reduced it to 50%. Para. Sir, there are 24 such schemes. I will not go into the details of that. I would now like to mention here, sir, that our Prime Minister and our Finance Minister in a very well-mannered way have convenienced that there will be cooperative federalism. You have planned 3% of the GDP for this year. The original plan was 4%. If the crude oil rate increases, to what extent will it go and how will it affect